Horizon builders, if you're not interested in making money, keep scrolling. This is a business post. Horizon is not just a gaming and socializing platform. Many of us are also active in this space because we see it as an emerging business opportunity. If this is something that you're interested in, then I recommend checking out the recording of this Meta Connect panel presentation. The presentation talks about building immersive experiences in Horizon in collaboration with the entertainment industry. You can see what other Horizon builders say about building for established brands and established IP. The presentation is called Injecting Pop Culture into Meta Horizon Worlds, but honestly, a title that I would give it would be Working with IP and Established Brands in Horizon Worlds. Here's the title. Just search for it on YouTube, do it now or save this video and do it later, and comment or like this video if you want to connect with other business-minded Horizon builders.